Here we are a bit later. Luca's coming up to the end of his first 6K. His heart rate is 163. And he's still racing 19 at 2:02. Ian, meanwhile, has completely cracked and is down to 154, 152. Yeah. Still at 20. What's he look like? Much the same. And there's young Paul. Still calm and relaxed at 18. And it's time for me to go home and do mine.